How to write free gift emails. These are some of the easiest emails you'll write, but they're also some of the most effective when it comes to building a relationship with your subscribers. Basically what you're doing is providing your subscribers with a free gift. Of course it's not just for the sake of it, it's so you can build reciprocity like we spoke about earlier in this training. The more high quality content you provide to your subscribers, the more they will feel like they need to reciprocate later on. So with these emails what you want to do is keep it really simple. Just create a short PDF report or audio or video. It can be anything that provides some high quality advice. It can just be one tip or one piece of advice, but make sure it can genuinely benefit your subscribers. Then within the actual email, just keep it short and sweet, tell them you created a report, or video, for them, and that they can download it for free. Don't try to sell anything to them in the email or within the free gift. Just give them the gift, no strings attached. You will be rewarded for it later.